sweet and sour chicken, and this is the ingredient for my chicken: pepper, seasoning powder, sugar, tempura flour, and then I'm going to lightly fry. So another ingredient here is cucumber, onion, pineapple, tomatoes, scallion, and then garlic. And here I'm going to add seasoning powder, pepper, sugar, and flour, tempura flour. So I'm going to mix it up. First we add some oil, and then we testing the heat. We start with garlic, and then cucumber, onion, pineapple, tomato, we're going to add some water. And then tomato sauce. Seasoning powder. No, this is sugar. We add sugar, seasoning powder,